Hello.
Hello, teacher. How
Hi.
are you?
Oh, I'm good. I'm good. How about you? How about you,
Yes,
Tam? How
I'm
are you today?
fine.
You're fine. Okay, that's good. Are you in your house?
Yeah.
Yeah, you're in your house. Okay, how's the weather today?
Mm, in the morning, I go to school,
Mm-hmm.
and in the afternoon, I go home to rest.
To
Rest.
rest. Mm-hmm.
Uh, can I read book and clean the house?
Oh, you did a lot. So you got busy. So what book did you read? What book did you read?
No novel.
Novel. Ah, novel. Mhm. Oh, it's Vietnamese, right? The one you're telling me
Yeah.
before, it's Vietnamese novel. Okay, yeah, reading novels. Yeah, it's good.
Mm,
Yeah, it's good to read novels. All right. So, have you eaten? Did you eat dinner?
no.
No, you haven't eaten.
Mm, I haven't eaten.
You haven't eaten. Are you hungry now?
No.
No, you have. You're not hungry yet. Okay, but what are you going to eat for
Uh,
for dinner?
yeah.
What? What's
Fish,
for dinner?
fish, fish,
Fish? Oh, okay.
and bone broth, bone broth,
Fish and
soup,
soup.
bone broth, yeah,
Grass? What?
no,
One more time. Say it again. Oh,
soup. I don't speak.
you can't read it. Maybe you can type. Just type it. Bone broth. Bone broth. Bone.
Bone broth,
Bone.
bone,
Bone. Broth.
bone
Broth.
broth,
Bone broth.
broth.
Ah,
Mhm.
it's good. It's good. Okay, it's good for the body. Okay. You sent me your homework, right, Tam? But where's the video? Where's the video? It didn't record? No video?
No, I
No.
don't speak.
You
It's
can't read
difficult.
it. You can't read. Okay. Let me just check the pronunciation. This one is a plant. That's why I'm also not familiar with this one. Bohemia. Okay. So we will check your homework first. hmm Can you see it? Can
No,
you see this one?
yes,
All
yes,
right, so let's
yes, I
read.
see.
Yeah, so you try to read it first. You really can't read it? Okay, let's read Vietnam's mangrove forest. Vietnam's mangrove forest
Vietnam mango
mangrove
forest,
are
mango
concentrated
are
are
concentrated,
in the south,
concentrated in the south,
such as
such as
what's this?
Cần Cần Giờ,
Can do and you mean.
U, yeah,
Mhm.
in
Typical trees, typical trees,
typical tree, typical
mangrove,
tree, mangrove,
amaranth,
amaranth,
and Bohemia. And Bohemia.
and
Bo.
Bohe-
Bohemia.
and Bohemia.
Roll.
Roll
Wave protection.
with protection.
Coastal protection.
Coastal protection
And aquaculture.
and
Aquaculture.
aquaculture.
Yeah. At the same time,
At the same time,
same. Same.
same time,
They are breeding grounds
they are breeding grounds
for many species
for many species
of fish and shrimp.
of fish and shrimp,
Shrimp. Shrimp.
shrimp,
Sh-
shrimp,
Shrimp.
shrimp.
Yes. However,
However,
the area is decreasing. The area is decreasing
the area is decreasing
due to shrimp farming
due to shrimp farming
and climate change.
and climate change.
Change and climate change.
Change.
All right, so you read it again one more time, Sam.
Vietnam mangrove forests are concentrated
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
in the south such as Cần Giờ and U Minh. Typical trees, mangrove, amaranth, and Bohemia
Yes.
road road web
Wave.
protect
Wave.
web wave protection cultural
Coast
protection
again. Wave protection. Wave protection. Coastal protection.
wave protection cultural protection
Mm-hmm.
mm, aquaculture
Mm-hmm. Aquaculture. Aquaculture.
aquaculture
Yes.
aquaculture at the same time they are breeding ground
Breathing again. Breathing. Breathe. E. Breathe. Breathing.
breeding breeding
Breathing. Yeah, breathing. Breathing.
breeding breeding
Yeah.
ground for many species of
Yes.
fish and shrimp.
Yes.
However, the area
Yes.
is decreasing
Mm-hmm.
due to shrimp farming and climate change.
Yes, that's right. Do you understand it, Sam?
Yes,
Yeah, okay. Do you yes, you
yes,
understand it.
yes,
Okay, that's good. So those are what is it again? About the ecosystem you have in Vietnam. Oh. So you have mangrove, amaranth, and Bohemia. So you use it for wave protection, coastal protection, and aquaculture. But it's decreasing because you have shrimp farming and because of climate change. Okay, yeah, that's right. So you need space for shrimp. Okay. All right, so I think we can move on to our next lesson. Tam. So we will continue this. Okay, can you see the book? Okay,
yes,
yeah. So we will continue this. We don't need to follow the pacing of your lesson in school. No, 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 not pacing. Okay, okay. We don't
Okay.
need to follow the pacing of your lesson in school. Okay? Yeah, because I think you're faster in school, right? I think you're faster. You
Okay.
study it faster in school, right?
Mm,
Yeah, so we don't need to make it faster. The important thing is we understand it, okay? And we talk about it more. Okay? All
mm,
right. So we talk about these ecosystems last time. Now we will do activity 2, this one. So we will, oh, where did it go? Too big. Okay, so you have to answer this. Wait a minute. Okay, so maybe let's just have this like this. Okay, so we will have this one. So you will complete the sentences here by using the words here. Okay? So for example, temperatures in the Sahara. What is the Sahara? Sahara, is it grassland, desert, swamp, jungle, ocean, or pond?
uh, desert, desert,
Desert. Desert. Yeah,
desert,
Sahara,
desert.
desert.
Mm,
Okay. All right, two. A blank is
mm, mm, uh, a swamp in near the water north land but a mix of both.
oh, it's a swamp. Okay. Three.
Mm, some reef of the uh, ocean,
Mm-hmm.
ocean,
Ocean
yeah,
are 10,000 meters deep.
10,000
10,000 meters deep. Deep.
10,000 meters deep,
Mm-hmm. Deep. All right. Four.
deep, uh, over half, half,
Half. Half.
uh,
Half.
half, over half of the world's animal species live
Species.
in
Species. Again, species.
species, species, live, life, life,
Live. Live. Yeah, that's live.
live, live in the jungle,
Jungle. Jungle.
jungle,
Yeah. Oh,
jungle.
jungle. All right. And five.
Plants grows in a point because sunlight reaches the bottom.
The answer is
Pond,
pond. Pond.
pond,
Pond. That one?
pond,
Grass. Plants grow in a pond because sunlight reaches the bottom. Ah, okay. Six.
is grass in the southern, southern grassland can grow over 2 meters tall.
Mm-hmm. Yes. Okay. So
Mm,
your answers are all correct, but I want you to read it again. Temperatures in the Sahara Desert can reach 58 degrees Celsius. One more
mm.
time. Temperatures, temperatures
Can,
in the Sahara
can,
Desert can reach 58 degrees Celsius.
uh, temperate in the Sahara uh,
Desert.
desert can reach desert can reach uh 15
58
58 uh
degrees.
mm, degree
Degrees.
degree. Mm,
This is degrees. Celsius. Letter C is Celsius. We read it as Celsius. Celsius. Celsius.
Celsius,
Celsius.
Celsius,
Celsius. Okay? Celsius.
Celsius,
Degree Celsius. Okay?
Celsius.
And this one, temperatures. Can you say it? Temperatures?
Tem,
Temperatures.
tem, temperatures,
Yes, that's right. And species. Species.
species,
Okay.
species.
All right. Two, a swamp is neither water nor land, but a mix of both.
A, a swamp in neither water nor land, but a mist of bones.
Yeah, both. A swamp is neither water or land, so a mix of water and land. Okay. Number three, some areas of the ocean are 10,000 meters deep.
Uh,
Again,
some, some areas
areas,
of
some
the
areas, some areas.
area, areas, some areas of the ocean are 10,000 meters deep.
Yes, that's right. Four.
Uh, over half of the world's animal species,
Yes.
species live in the uh, jungle.
Yes, that's right. Live in the jungle. All right, five.
Plants grow in a point because sunlight reaches the
Reaches.
bottom,
Reaches the bottom.
reaches the bottom.
Yes, that's right. Six.
Uh, grass in the
Southern.
grassland,
Southern.
southern, southern,
Southern. Earn. Southern. Southern.
southern,
Oh, southern. Southern.
southern,
Yes, southern.
southern. Uh, grass
Grassland.
in the grass
Grassland.
in the southern
Uh-huh.
grassland can grow over 2 meters tall.
Tall. Tall. Tall.
Tall.
Yes, that's right. Okay, so you understand it? Do you understand it, Tam? Mm, okay. So maybe we can already skip that one. Oh, yeah. But maybe we can practice the pronunciation of this one. Listen and mark. We don't have the listening part here, but we can just read it. Let's read the words here. Ocean, ocean,
Ocean.
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 System, system.
System.
Exist,
System.
exist.
Exist.
Southern, southern.
Thousand.
Sahara,
Thousand.
Sahara.
Sahara.
Global,
Sahara.
global.
Global.
Destroy,
Global.
destroy.
Destroy.
Provide,
Destroy.
provide.
Provide.
Animal,
Provide. Animal.
temperature.
Temperature.
hmm Safari, safari.
Safari.
Volunteer,
Safari.
volunteer.
Volunteer.
Okay, do you
Volunteer.
understand the word stress? Ocean, ocean. Okay, do you understand it?
Yeah.
So where do we put the stress here in the word system?
System.
Where do we put the word the stress? Did you do this in school? Did you do this? Where do we
yeah.
put the stress here? The mark.
Mm, one
Where?
system,
System. Where do we put
system.
this one here? System. Here.
Yes, one.
And this is one. And
Mm,
here.
in school,
You didn't do this. You write one like that.
yeah,
And two. One and two.
yeah.
Okay, okay. All right, we don't need to do this. At least you remember how to pronounce it properly. Okay? Just remember how you pronounce it properly. Okay, one more time. Can you read it again? One more time.
O ocean,
Mm-hmm. Yes.
uh, system,
Yes. Yes.
acid, acid,
Exist. Exist.
e-
Exist.
exist,
Yes.
exist,
Yes, that's right.
southern,
Yes. Southern. Southern.
southern, southern, Sahara,
Yes. This one.
global,
Yes. Mm-hmm.
destroy,
Destroy. Destroy. Destroy.
destroy,
Yes.
destroy,
The next one.
uh, provide,
Yes. Provide. Mm-hmm. Next
provide,
one.
uh, animal,
Yes, that's right. Mm-hmm. Next one.
uh, temperature,
But we pronounce it temperature. Temperature. Temperature.
temp temperature,
Yeah. Tem temperature. Just three syllables. Temperature.
temperature,
Yes, that's right. Temperature. This one.
temperature, uh, sapphire,
Hmm? S- Safari. Safari.
sa- safari,
Safari. Yes.
safari,
And last one.
uh, volunteer,
Volunteer. Volunteer.
volunteer,
Yeah.
one,
Vol
volunteer,
volunteer. Yeah, it's volunteer.
volunteer,
I'll show you.
volunteer,
volunteer,
Volunteer. Okay. Here.
volunteer,
Volunteer. Volunteer. One and two. One and three. Volunteer. Okay. And the first and third.
volunteer.
Yeah, first and third syllable. Okay. Now we will have this. Okay. So, okay, we can. Oh, there's a readings here. Okay, let me just.
Mhm.
Okay. So we don't have any video. I don't have the video of this one because I don't have the book, the actual book here. But have you watched this video in school? Did you watch this video in school?
No,
No, you didn't watch this one too? Oh no. This is bright, right? Okay. So now, yeah,
mm,
just let's just read it. The title of this text is Running Out of Time. Running out of time. Can you say running out of time?
running out of time.
Yeah. Okay. Do you understand that word? Those phrase running out of time. Do you understand it? This one.
Mm,
The word,
yeah,
the phrase running out of time. Do you understand it?
mm, mm,
No, you don't understand the word running out of time? Running out
run,
of time. Running out of time. Do you understand it? So when we are running out of time, it means we don't have enough time
Yeah.
left. Just like now, we are running out of time now. We are also running out
Yeah.
of time now, right? So we won't be able to
Yeah.
finish this text, this article, because we are running out of time. We don't have enough. So maybe I can give you your homework now. Um, okay, maybe you can, okay, maybe just discuss your favorite ecosystem that you have. Oh, wait a minute. Mhm. Okay. Maybe you just tell me your favorite. You have to record a video discussing your favorite ecosystem in your country and should we do what can you do to protect it,
Yeah.
or what, yeah, what you can do. Okay. Yeah. Okay,
Yeah.
you understand it. So you have to write the
Yes,
text
I
again. You have to
understand.
write, send me the text and also the video. Okay, write it
Yeah.
first, send it to me, and then you record a video. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, Tom. So we don't have enough time. We
Okay.
are running out. We run out of time. So we will continue this
Uh,
on Sunday. Yeah, right, Sunday.
Sunday, yeah.
Okay. Do
In
you
the
have any
morning.
questions?
Mm-hmm.
Any questions? So we will have page 36. All right. Any questions, Tam? Any questions?
Yeah.
Any
Okay.
questions?
Yeah.
No? All right. No questions. Okay. So I think that's the end of our lesson. I'll see you again on Sunday. Goodbye, Tam.
Yeah. Goodbye.
Goodbye. See you.